In the comments of my videos, a question often comes up. But what is this material with which you glue the different clay pieces? It's neither glue nor a mysterious product. It's quite simply clay, or more precisely, slip. I'm going to show you how to make this slip. At the end of the video, this mysterious glue will have no more secrets for you. You can do it like this. Or you can do it like this. Or like this. Or like this. Oh no, 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 stop.